I'm on a mission to find the perfect shell that I can mould and make into a necklace for my girlfriend as a gift. So I've got to find it. Oh yeah, and that's her singing in the passenger seat, so I've got to be real sneaky. And she just thinks we're going for a beach drive. It'll be here somewhere. I'm after the little shell that's got the spiral inside it. It's like a circular shape. It's about the size of a coin. It's got a little spiral in the middle. Looks like a good cluster over here. Oh, that's the style I'm looking for. That right there. Might be a bit small, this one. But that's the shape I'm looking for. A good few here, maybe half a dozen to choose from. I think there's a winner in there for sure. Go have a quick look up on the hill, down to the water. Oh. I think I'm going to choose this one. Quite circular, perfectly imperfect, and it's quite shallow, so it'll be easy to mould. Here it is. Now I've got to mould that and turn it into silver. I use a special sand, different to this. It's finer and sticks together, holding its shape. Where this is coarse and does not stick at all, therefore it loses any impression made into it straight away. I'll show you how it works. Get the little mould out, pack it with the sand. This mould's just a little handmade mould that I have actually put together with the pouring vent at the very top, so you sit it up. It allows gravity to sort of pull down the metal and get into all the little crevices of the mould. You need to put in little air holes in the mould as well, so it's drawn out instead of suffocating itself and then blobbing up and not going through every section of your piece. With this piece I might get away with only using one half of the mould, and normally if you're doing a much more complex shape you'd use the other half of the mould. You'd press your object or shape in here, put the other half on and press and tamp in another bit of sand. Then you slowly release it, open it up, take the original object out, put in your air holes and your vent for it to pour, and then go from there. But this time I'm going to use it without it. I'm going to get my flour, or we can get flour or baby powder, something that will help not bind the surface to the object and it'll be able to release it easier. Let's try this out. Let's go like this. And I'm going to slowly tamp this down until it's just below surface, hopefully without cracking it. And there we have the little indentation. It's kind of like a fossil. This is what I'm going to make it out of, sterling silver. This is the only bit I've got left over, which should be a good amount for what I need. I might just cut a little bit off. This is the leftovers from my last video, can you make jewelry with a small lathe? Check that out. So I'm just going to cut this now, get the amount I need, and then get the torch ready to melt it.
Subscribe to more videos like this, where I take bursts of ideas and make them into things.